So there's a storm out there, and as a result, our pasture is very wet. The area I'm standing in is where our sheep just were, and they just got bumped into that next paddock, which is very green. And now the chickens are being moved into this paddock because their old one flooded last night. So Tim is moving the egg wagons with his old-timey tractor, and he's gonna try and pull them through this mud.